Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. Babes, I thought I would put together this sort of natural glam kind of look. I think this is a great look for the holidays, although any time of year you would like a more kind of natural glam look, I think this would be a great option. So I did put together a tutorial for this look today, and so just keep watching if you'd like to see. I also do have a makeup giveaway for this palette that I used, which is the Morphe holiday palette. I believe it's called the 39L, I believe. So I'll be showing that to you in just a minute. So keep watching to see my tutorial and how to take part in the giveaway and all that good stuff. What I have here today is the Morphe. This is the 39L Hit the Lights Artistry Palette. This is one of my giveaway prizes for my huge monthly makeup giveaway. Also though, I am going to be picking up another Morphe palette for you beauties. So comment below if you want to enter to win this. I'll be picking one winner with my huge monthly makeup giveaway and one winner in about a week. So first of all, can we talk about how gorgeous this is? Wow. So here oh my god, this is beautiful. Wow. Okay, first of all, it comes with the colors with all of the shade names, which is really nice. Curated by different makeup artists. So this is beautiful. The packaging is like purple, so it's not their normal black, and then it has beautiful iridescent sheen to it. And dolls, I'm so excited because I also got the brush set, and I actually have a brush set for a giveaway for you dolls too. So definitely comment below and let me know if you'd like to enter to win the brush set or the palette. Now I wasn't expecting this when I ordered this brush set, and I know I have a lot of brushes, but wow, they give you so many brushes in here. I just peeked into it just right now before I came and sat down with you beauties, and I could not believe it because the brushes in here are such different sizes and shapes. There's lots of tiny brushes, which, like a lot of you guys know, is amazing for doing detailed looks, and these look phenomenal. There's so many detailing brushes in here, and then there's so many medium fluffy brushes in here, my favorite. So look at this, and they're also that gorgeous purple color. So they're just, these are gorgeous brushes. Wow. The purple is not like your average purple. I'm definitely gonna try to insert a better picture for you guys because I think this light is super bright. But they just gave you so many brushes that I don't have the shape. So I definitely don't have a brush like this. It's just a teeny tiny detailing brush. Oh my god, there's so many detailing brushes in here. You know, that's what I think about Morphe. It's really nice. It seems like, you know, Linda Morphe, I guess, you know, she's owns Morphe brushes. You know, she always goes to makeup artists and asks them to like curate stuff, even not just this collection, but like a lot of times you could see she works with Lipstick Nick. And so she, you know, I feel like she asked them, what do you need? What is the best? And that's how she's always come out with these really amazing different brush shapes recently. Like, she always has brushes that that I've never seen anywhere else. And I used to purchase like brushes from Japan, like crazy brushes, Hakuhodo. And these a lot of times are, because of the shape and the function of them, she really gets amazing you know, the brush shapes. You just won't find them anywhere else. Oh, this is really nice, like even for contouring your face because it's so small. And I don't know if you saw Scott Barnes the other day. I had never seen this trick before from him or anybody, but after he did Tati's makeup the other day, he took a big brush and like flicked it up. So I'm gonna do that today with this brush. I'm gonna try that. So let's get right into it. And it does come in this gorgeous purple case. So anyway, let me move right into this gorgeous, this palette is phenomenal because this is another great palette. Not that everybody travels, but this is just a great palette because look at here, you could do your nudes and your smoky glam, and then here you can do your colorful glam, and here you could do your fire, and here you could do just gorgeous purple, sexy kind of clubbing looks. And then of course you get the huge pans. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that highlighter. Oh my god. Gorgeous. I just have on foundation now, my brows, all that. So hopefully this battery doesn't give out on your girl. Let's hurry up and get right into it. Babes, I don't know what to do. What color? You know, I just want to reach for these. I just feel like doing that today because, or we can mix these and these. Or I don't feel like doing this colorful look today because I'm just not. I feel like when you do, sometimes when you do color looks, you gotta be like in the mood. Like feel like you're going inspired, you know. So let me just dip right in. I think these are like cool tone and warm tone, you know, brown shades. So that's very nice. Guys, hopefully I will be back in my beauty room soon so we can make some better quality videos for you beauties. So let me go ahead and dip again into that gorgeous shade. And then these brushes don't have any numbers on them. But let's go ahead and apply this right to our crease. Today I'm just gonna sweep it on all over. I think I will definitely be back and do a more colorful holiday look. I've realized a lot of times when I do my first impressions kind of video with you beauties, and then I wind up playing with the palettes a lot more, and then I come up with more different looks, you know, once I'm playing with it and I have, you know, just get my hands into it a lot more. So I think that's what I'll do. So now I'm just gonna blend out that dark shade. I'm just gonna use this kind of cool tone shade here. I'm definitely gonna cut the crease and put on some glitter, but these blended very easily and effortlessly. There's no chalkiness to the brown shades that I used today, which is really nice. I do have a little bit of fallout here, so I'll just wipe that away. But I'm gonna smoke out my waterline, and then I'm gonna add some of this, one of those gorgeous glitters. They look absolutely stunning. This is a very easy look though, because the shadows blended so easily. So even though it looks kind of basic, but a lot of times these shadows, they're very patchy, so you'll spend a lot of time trying to get rid of the patchiness. The patchiness was, I don't think there was any patchiness, to be honest, so that's pretty amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna do my lower. I'm gonna use these brushes again, the little small brushes, and I'll just dip into this shade here, and I'm gonna smudge this under. And then I'm gonna put some liner. This is just a black Sephora eyeliner, and smudge this into the waterline. And just run it on along your upper lashes. And go ahead and smudge out that liner. And then I'm going to pack the black shade right here from this palette, and pack that right over the liner so it gets nice and smoky. Oh, this is a really good black. It's really good. Wow, it's amazing, because it's just so intense, and it just really laid down perfectly. And then you could smudge it on your upper lashes as well. So I'm just gonna take that first lightest shade that we put down and just on one of, this is a Morphe brush, but it's the JS6. So go ahead and just smudge the whole thing out like so. So guys, I'm back. My camera just went out for a minute, but I gave it some power. Hopefully it will last. It's not fully charged, but anyway, while I was waiting to charge up a little bit, I added a little bit of this shade here. So I reached back into this gorgeous, it's like it has a little bit of red to it. It's a deep brown, but it has some red. And then I mixed it with a little bit of this matte black. So right on the brush, you can go ahead and mix it. And then I just popped that into the outer portion of my eye like so. And it just deepened it up a bit for a really, you know, nice glam, natural glam kind of look. So I'm really happy with how this is looking so far. So these shadows are doing such an amazing job. Yeah, really blending easily and effortlessly. So I absolutely love this palette. So now I'm actually going to reach into some of the shimmer shades. This way we can have a little bit more glam going on. So I'm just going to take my Urban Decay primer. This is the original eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. And I'm just going to pop that on the front portion of my lid area. So I'm just gonna put it right in the front portion of my eye here. And actually, normally I do use a brush. So let me go ahead and use a brush, and I just kind of squeeze some out and then put it right onto the brush like so. So this is normally how I do it. And then just apply it to, you know, where you wanna apply your shimmers. So I'm only gonna apply my shimmer primarily just to the front and towards the middle of my eye. And then I'll do, so while that's wet, I'm gonna go ahead and reach into one of those gorgeous shimmery shades that we have here in the palette. And I'll just take one of these small brushes from the Morphe holiday collection. I'm just gonna take this super shimmery, gorgeous shade here. It looks very glam yet natural. And I'm just gonna tap that and pack that right on top of where we just laid down our glitter glue. So I hope you can see, this is only really one application. It's like liquid gold. It's like molten, is that the word? Molten gold, oh my God. So that's gorgeous. And now since I covered up some of the outer portion of my eye, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring back that chocolatey shade that we placed in the outer portion. So I'm just gonna reach right into just one of those chocolatey shades and just tap that right on the outer portion of our eye, just to bring back, just give a nice gradient effect. And actually this black shade is too gorgeous to resist, so you can just take a little bit of the matte black. There's also a sparkly black in this palette. It's so beautiful. And again, and I'm just gonna mix these two together like so and tap it off the excess, and then I'm just gonna place that on the outer portion of my eye like so. So gorgeous. And I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush now and just blend our edge. Just gonna blend, very gently blend everything together. We're always holding with our 2 fingers, but now you're just very gently blending just our upper crease, just to get a nice blend. You can flick upwards, and that's just gonna get everything really nice and blended for you. You can also take some of one of these lighter shimmers in the palette and just pack some of that light. Ooh, wow. So I just took some of this giant palette, just take some on a synthetic brush and just pop that in your tear duct. Wow, these are seriously blinding. I'm going to just pop on some mascara now. So let's see, just, you know, any mascara. You don't have to do lashes, especially if you want to go for a natural glam look. You know, mascara is fine. I'm gonna pop some lashes on just for fun, but you can definitely feel super glam just without lashes at this point. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll put on my lashes and I'll be right back and we'll do the contour. I gotta show you this blush. It's amazing, and it's from Colourpop. It's like, I think $8 or $5. Amazing. It's like seriously the best blush I've ever used. So we'll be gonna do, like I said, lashes, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I just popped on these carroty lashes. These are so good, and I'm just gonna put them into place and let them dry. But these lashes are phenomenal, and they're only, I believe they're about $8 on the Carroty website, but they're so easy to, you can just pop them on and then, you know, they're pretty much good to go. You know, you just have to wait for them to dry. But I really love these. And I did put some more foundation on. So a really great natural glam kind of foundation is the Urban Decay Stay Naked, and I did also use the Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer, and these are just so amazing because they do give you some coverage and a little bit of glam, but it's a very natural finish. So, and it's very lightweight on your skin, almost feels gel-like. So that, I love that. And now I'm going to give myself a spray of my Alegra Cherry Beauty Mist. So this is just going to help everything to kind of sink into my skin and not look cakey. And it's also going to make my makeup last longer and give me a glowing skin look. Oh my god, that feels so good. It really does. I always say that, but it really does. And it smells so good, so it's amazing. But as you guys will start to see, it starts to just melt into your skin, and it makes everything just look natural and effortless and glowing and very youthful. And it's definitely super amazing, full of lots of vitamins and good for you skin loving ingredients. So let's see where we're at now with these lashes. So once I like to let them get a little bit more tacky and a little bit drier, the lash glue, I'll just go ahead and just squeeze them into place. And then I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of mascara now, just to help everything, you know, flow and marry your natural lashes to your faux, and it just gives a really great look. See, now that my face is also dampened from the beauty mist and the setting spray, we can move in with some cream contour and some cream blush, and it's not gonna look cakey. So I absolutely love this one from Fenty. This is phenomenal. It's the Fenty Mocha matchstick, and I just kind of carve out under here. And let's do the other side. You can contour your forehead and all that. I mean, I don't really think that's necessary. I guess, you know, if you were having like a really glam photo shoot or something, maybe you'd want to do that. But, you know, for every day, I just like to contour my cheekbone. It just definitely gives you just a great look, a slimmer face. I can't believe the difference how I look when I don't contour. It's crazy. It's very natural and effortless. And then this is something I'm absolutely loving, is the Colourpop. This is their blush stick in the shade Under Pressure. This is gorgeous, blends effortlessly. So I'm just gonna pop it right in here, not exactly on the apple of my cheek, but you know, right before, because we're gonna blend it into the apple. This is my favorite blush. Actually, this is my favorite brush for contouring as well. So this might be from MAC, but Morphe has an exact dupe for this. So just kind of press it into your skin. I mean, it's already blended, it's crazy. So I'm just gonna take some of my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm gonna just touch up any spots. And then I'm gonna give myself another spray, because that's how I just let everything sink in and melt into your complexion. I think I'm just gonna pop on, just for a little bit of a glam, a little bit, I love a bronze eye and a red lip. So first I'm just gonna pop on this Sephora Lip Liner that I got the other day in my advent calendar. So this is just a red lip liner, so good. Sephora cosmetics are amazing, they really are. So this is a little pinker than I thought, but and then I have here this Laura Mercier stick. This is the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in the shade Hot. These are so amazing. Oh, so this is actually more, I thought this was red. It's more like almost a hot pink fuchsia shade. So I'm finally back. I actually had my camera go out again, so, but I'm back. I popped on a little bit of red into that Laura Mercier lip. It was a little on the pink side, so I just added a bit of the Milani I Am Fierce, which is a lip that I am crazy about. And then I popped some gloss on top, just this Buxom lip gloss in Mariah. I think it just gives it a softer look and a more natural, not natural necessarily, but just definitely a bit of a softer look. So this is my finished look for today for my sort of little natural glam look here. Are you a fan of the natural glam or what? Actually, I think I could use another spray of my beauty mist. Of course, I do wind up spraying this quite a bit, but it does go a long way. So it's a very fine mist, perfect mist. And so now I feel complete now, because I did wind up popping on a little bit more powder. And so basically every time I powder, I love to give a spray, because it just definitely helps it to melt down and just look very glowy and a bit dewy, but not too glowing and dewy, you know, just a little bit natural and refreshed and glowing looking. So, and definitely your makeup will last so much longer too. So I will have it linked below. Again, you can purchase it on Amazon now or on my website, and I definitely have a code for my website. You can use the code SHINEBRIGHT and you will get free shipping. So also comment below and let me know if you'd like to enter to win this Morphe holiday palette for yourself. I think it's absolutely phenomenal and I could not recommend it more. You definitely can do a myriad of different looks, and so it's really great. And the colors were not patchy whatsoever, so I really love that. And you got some really gorgeous warm and cool toned chocolatey brown shades, which are actually they're my favorite. I'm not even gonna try it front, they're my favorite. So anyways, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Like I said, just comment, be a subscriber, number one. All you have to do to take part in all my giveaways is be a subscriber. I have a huge monthly giveaway and then lots of giveaways in between as well. So if you'd like to take part in my giveaway today, just subscribe, and then also just comment below and let me know that you'd like to take part, and I'll be picking the winner very soon. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye, I love you.